Hi everyone, Abby here, and welcome back to my channel for Tech Tuesday, or welcome if you're new. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the new Garmin Forerunner 70 smartwatch and giving you my first impressions as well. But before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you can stay tuned to all my new videos dropping weekly and so you can help the channel grow. So I have this smartwatch in the color Cool Lavender, but it did come out in some other colors as well, which you could see on screen. And the current price as of recording is $349.99 Canadian and $249.99 American. So it's definitely one of Garmin's more affordable options, especially when it comes to the Forerunner series. Now this is a 43mm smartwatch. All right guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, what you guys came here to see. So I'm going to start off with the accessories and everything first. Now first we have a little quick start guide just to get you started. There is a product and safety information little guide here. Well, it's not really that little, it's pretty stacked. It does come with a charging cord, which is USB-C on one end and the proprietary Garmin on the other. And here is the watch. Let's go ahead and get it out of the package. Last thing, we just gotta take off that sticker. All right guys, so here it is right out the box. I think the Cool Lavender reminds me of lavender and then they just splash some white in there. It's a very pastel type of color. You can see it does have a different color button here, which the Forerunners usually do. The buttons are plastic. It does have 5 buttons. And in traditional Forerunner fashion, you can see holes all throughout the band. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the display so you can get a first look at that. See those beautiful colors. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try this on so you can see what it looks like on me. All right guys, so this is what it looks like on me. And I do have a 7-inch wrist. And I've gone ahead and put all the wrist sizes this can fit on screen for you guys, just so you can see if it works out well for you. Now my first impressions on wearing this watch is that it is lightweight. I also do like that it has holes all throughout the band because that's making it pretty breathable, even though right now it's pretty hot being summer and my AC is off. So I'm liking that as well. The buttons, I've noticed, do have a nice click. Like they feel good to press. It doesn't feel like it's like gummy or anything, despite being plastic. The touchscreen here does work pretty well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly pair this to my phone so I can show you guys what it would look like with a watch face on here. All right guys, so now the watch is prompting me to pick hex size. I'm just gonna go kind of in the middle there. Now to pick the activities that I use most often. All right guys, so there's a watch face and it's a very pretty looking one. I'll show you guys more watch faces in the review, but I just wanted to show you what it would look like with one on the watch instead of just the setup stuff. And I'm liking so far the colors matching the band looks really nice. It's contrasting, easy to read, and I like that I'm seeing a good amount of data here as well, like body battery, steps, weather, and more. All right guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and test this thing out. And once I get a real feel for it, I'm gonna come back on AbbyBReviewing Tech Tuesday soon to do a full review for you guys on the new Garmin Forerunner 70 here. So make sure you're subscribed with your post notification bell turned on so you don't miss that video. And if you're looking to pick up the new Garmin Forerunner 70 here, I've gone ahead and left a link down in the description for you to use. And if you do want to watch any of my other Garmin videos in the meantime, I've done probably around like 100 Garmin videos, which are unboxing, reviews, comparisons, which you can find in my Garmin playlist linked in the description below. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.